Hi, my name is Courtney Hopkins, a botanical artist from Virginia, and today I'm bringing you behind the scenes of my watercolor painting workshop I recently held at the market at Grelen. Can you believe how beautiful this location is? It's filled to the brim with botanical inspiration and magical spots to explore. Today's workshop is being held in their greenhouse, which feels like you're walking into a tropical rainforest. I got to work setting up our painting workspace with the attendees' paintbrushes, palettes, and take-home folders that held our workshop outline and guide. Once our attendees found their spots, we dove into the workbook exploring watercolor basics, the tools and materials, and introductory watercolor techniques. Everyone got a chance to practice a variety of techniques and color mixing, putting their tools to the test and creating some rather beautiful test sheets that ended up matching each attendee's personality and style. Since this was a beginner workshop, everyone's project outline was created in advance so they could fill it in. I demonstrated how we could apply the techniques we learned earlier to actual floral subjects. Then, everyone got to work putting their newfound skills into practice, creating some lovely class projects that were so bright and joyful. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes glimpse into one of my workshops, and I hope you'll consider joining us next time. Click the link in the description below to learn more and sign up. Thanks for watching!